Today's TV programming and film presentations are not always presented in the same format. Most TV content is aired in HD TV, or a 16:9 aspect ratio, while most blockbuster movies are in widescreen, also known as CinemaScope, or the 2:3:5:1 format. However, using different aspect ratios is problematic when the projected image shape mismatches that of the screen. When this happens, it creates those unsightly black bars, either at the top and bottom or sides of the screen. This problem is easily negated by using the VMAX dual projection screen with extended black matte borders that will ensure the black spaces are masked by its simple yet precise design. The VMAX Dual lives up to its name by providing an alternating selection of either HD TV or widescreen projection surfaces to match your projector's format setting. There's no need for additional anamorphic lenses or to rely on a projector's lens memory feature to have the projected image lined up to accommodate both screen materials. The Max White has a 1.1 gain and a wide viewing angle that gives the audience equal brightness no matter where they're seated. It is black-backed for greater brightness by eliminating light penetration. Both screens contained within the VMAX Dual are both Active 3D and 4K Ultra HD ready as well. The control package includes a radio frequency remote with independent 16:9 and 2:3:5:1 aspect ratio buttons in order to select the right screen format. The remote control also serves as a wireless 512-volt trigger that can actually synchronize the screen's drop and rise with the projector's power cycle. The VMAX Dual has a heavy-duty black metal casing, which allows for a flush ceiling installation or suspended with additional hardware. Mounting brackets are also included to achieve a wall installation. The VMAX Dual comes with Elite's 2-year manufacturer's warranty and a 3-year ENRG warranty for educational, nonprofit, religious, and government military organizations. The VMAX Dual starts at a manufacturer's suggested retail price of only $859 and is available in a tab tension variant. Change your screen to fit the right occasion. Elite Screens. Get the big picture. The Sable Frame 2 is a fixed-frame projection screen that is easy to ship, easy to install, and gives your residents a high-end quality that typically comes with costlier interior design. The screen features a cinema-quality theater screen framed by a stylish, velveteen-coated aluminum framework. The Sable uses Elite's venerable and award-winning CineWhite front projection material. It has a 1.1 gain and a wide viewing angle that gives the audience equal brightness no matter where they are seated. The screen's black backing enhances brightness by eliminating light penetration. Lastly, the material also has a black matte border that easily attaches to the framework. The CineWhite is Active 3D and 4K Ultra HD ready so that the image may be enjoyed with a superior degree of image clarity and immersion. The split frame design of the Sable Frame 2 series allows the screen to not only be shipped at minimal cost, but also carried with ease up narrow staircases and around sharp corners. The framework assembles, presenting a seamless black matte border that negates projector overscan and enhances perceived visual contrast. Lastly, its sliding wall brackets ensure a properly centered installation every time. The Sable Frame 2 series comes in a variety of aspect ratios to suit the various environments from business to residential applications. This includes a 16 by 10 aspect ratio that is identical in form to the tablets, laptops, and other computers in use today. If you are doing commercial presentations and training sessions, this would be the ideal format. Another option is the HDTV or 16 by 9 aspect ratio. This is the format of television sets and is appropriate if you are planning on showing regular TV or cable content. CinemaScope widescreen or 2:3:5:1 is the format of commercial theaters and all of the box office films of today. If your screen is specifically intended for cinematic presentations and you don't like the letterbox effect, this is your choice. The Sable Frame 2 comes with a full installation kit, as well as the Elite's 2-year manufacturer's warranty and a 3-year ENRG warranty for educational, nonprofit, religious, and government military organizations. Don't pay full price for that $1 million look. A big screen in your home is no longer a fantasy. Elite Screens. Get the big picture.
The Easy Cinema floor pull-up screen is a quick solution for the traveling presentation or space-conscious home theater, whether it's for professional or educational training or even indoor movie presentations. It's an ideal solution. The setup is quick and easy. The Easy Cinema is a compact, light, and portable projection screen that can be set up or taken down in seconds. The durable anodized aluminum casing travels easy, while its telescopic support makes it simple to adjust height settings. The Max White material has a 160-degree diffusion angle that will allow your presentation to be easily viewed by a large or small audience. Sizes are available for virtually any size of group presentation with a variety of aspect ratios as well. The 2-year warranty makes this an excellent portable projection screen in a box. Elite Screens. Get the big picture.